Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And in today's video, I'll show you how to remove a section break in Microsoft Word on your desktop. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know how to do it. So let's get right into it. First, you have to open your Microsoft Word and open the document or your file. Now simply click on the maximize button to get a clear view of your page and click on this P-like icon, which is the show or hide icon. As you can see here, it indicates the starting of the paragraph and the ending of the paragraph and the section breaks as well. Now simply scroll and find where you want to break or remove your section break. Once you have found it, keep your cursor ahead of the place where you want to break the section break or remove the section break and simply click delete, and after that the section break is deleted. Removing a section break may affect formatting like headers, footers or page orientation. As you can see, my page orientation is in landscape and above text is coming over here, and that's it. You have removed a section break in Word on Mac. If this video helped you out, be sure to like and share and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.